In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a low-fidelity wireframe and wire flow in Balsamiq. First, open Balsamiq, log in, and create a new mockup or project so you're looking at a clean, blank canvas. This gives you a fresh space to think about structure and flow without distractions. Next, bring in a browser UI control. You'll find it in the controls list and you can drag it right onto the canvas. Resize it to frame your design the way a real browser window would. This helps stakeholders immediately recognize what they're looking at and sets useful boundaries for layout. Now head over to the left-hand UI library. This is your toolkit. Grab common elements like buttons, text boxes, icons, and forms, and drop them onto the canvas to shape your page. Start with a simple structure, a header area, a content section, and a footer. Remember, you're sketching, not decorating. Use rectangles to define containers and sections, and add text for headlines, labels, and helper notes. Aim for clarity over polish. Your goal is to communicate function. With the skeleton in place, it's time to map the user journey using wire flows. Select a tappable element, like a sign-up button, and create a link to another page or screen in your project. Do the same for other actions, such as moving from a sign-up screen to a posting screen. This quickly reveals the flow from one step to the next and helps you spot gaps or unnecessary detours. As you refine, select any element and adjust its size, text, and other properties in the Property Inspector. Use clear, descriptive labels so people instantly understand what each element represents. For easier navigation while you work, hold the space bar to pan around the canvas. Small tweaks here go a long way, but resist the urge to overstyle. Keep it intentionally low fidelity. Avoid colors, custom fonts, or polished visuals. The sketchy aesthetic in Balsamiq is a feature, not a limitation. It keeps feedback focused on user flow, hierarchy, and functionality instead of debating shades and spacing. If something looks too finished, it can invite premature design critiques. When you're ready to share, save your .mapr file. You can share it as a link for quick viewing or export your work as a PDF or a set of images. Send those to stakeholders to gather feedback early and often. Clear, lo-fi wireframes paired with clickable links make it easy for everyone to understand the experience and suggest improvements. And that's the power of Balsamiq. Fast, simple, and focused on what matters most, the user journey.